Hello, I'm Cici, and welcome to Learning English with Cici, where learning English is fun, practical, and easy to follow. Whether you're just starting out or looking to polish your advanced skills, you're in the right place. In each episode, I'll guide you through real-life scenarios, from everyday conversations to professional situations, helping you grow step by step. So, grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's start this journey together. Are you ready?
Hi, my name is Lisa.
Hello, I'm Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great, thanks.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Brazil.
That's cool. Do you like the park?
Yes. It's very nice.
Great. Let's walk together.
Okay.
Great job, Anna and Lisa. Let's look at some useful English phrases from their conversation. Hi and hello are common ways to greet someone. An example would be something like, Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you is a polite thing to say when meeting someone new. An example would be this. Nice to meet you too. Next on the list is, I'm fine, which is a simple way of saying that you're okay. An example of this would be, I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from? Is asking someone of their place of origin, their country, or city. An example would be this. I'm from Brazil. Let's, a short form of let us, which is used to suggest doing something together. An example of this is, let's walk. Simple present tense. I'm Anna, and I'm from Brazil. Use am, is, and are to describe identity and origin. The subject, the verb, and the object. A great example of this is, I like the park. The subject is I. The action verb is like. And the object is the park. Question words. Where is used to describe places. Example, where are you from? Short answers, yes, and okay, are natural short replies that show interest or agreement. Quiz time. What does Anna say when she meets Lisa? Nice to meet you. I'm from Brazil. What kind of sentence is this? It's C, a statement. What does let's walk together mean? Yup, we walk at the same time. How do you ask of someone's country? That's right. Where are you from? Great job. Now let's keep going. The next story begins. Jason and Emily meet.
Hey there. I haven't seen you around before. Are you new here?
Yes, this is my first time here. I just moved to the city last week.
Oh, welcome. I'm Jason.
Thanks, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How are you liking the city so far?
It's a bit overwhelming, but exciting.
Totally. This event is one of my favorites.
I thought it'd be a great way to meet new people.
Smart move. Do you live nearby?
Just a few blocks away, near Green Street.
Oh, cool. I'm close too. Maybe I can show you some good places to eat.
That would be great.
So, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work remotely.
Nice. I'm in marketing. We might have some things in common.
Definitely. This has been really nice, Jason.
Yeah, it has. Want to grab a coffee later this week?
I'd like that. Let's exchange numbers.
Perfect. I'll text you.
Great job. Now let's look at some vocabulary words. Overwhelming. It means too much to handle. Intense. A recap from the story is, the city is a bit overwhelming. Nearby and new here. Nearby means that you are close in distance. New here means that you recently moved to a place. Example, are you new here? Or do you live nearby? Exchange numbers. To simply put it, it means to share phone contacts. Let's exchange numbers. Up next is grab a coffee. This is an informal way to meet for coffee. Example, want to grab a coffee later this week? And finally, event, which is a planned gathering or activity. Example, this event is one of my favorites. Grammar pop-up. I just moved to the city last week. This is a simple past tense. Structure. Subject and past tense verb which is moved. The reason for this is because the action of moving is completed in the past, even if it was recent like just now. The word just means a short time ago, but that doesn't change the tense. Moved is the past tense of move, and no auxiliary verb, have or has, is used. Let's compare. I have just moved to the city. This is a present perfect tense. The structure is the subject, and have and has as the past participle, which would bring move to moved. Focuses on the recent action that has a connection to now. Example, that's why I don't know many places yet. Polite suggestions with would. That would be great. Would make suggestions or offers softer and more polite. Informal questions in conversation. Do you live nearby? Simple present tense often used in small talk. Quiz time. What does Jason do for a living? That's right. It's C. He works in marketing. Where did Emily move to? True or false? Emily just moved to the countryside. It's B. False. She moved to the city. Fill in the blank. Let's blank numbers. It's A. Exchange. What does Emily say about the city? It's B. It's overwhelming but exciting. Which expression means close by? That's right. It's C. Nearby. Great job, everybody. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And come back for more English lessons. Please play these videos as much as you like for more understanding. See you next time.